Rosie, اليوم عندنا math. Today we will learn about rounding numbers. Rounding numbers يعني rounding بالعربي يعني تقريب، يعني تقربيها الأقرب tens, hundreds or thousands. Yeah, for example, Maria saw 37 carrots at the store. About how many carrots were there? You will say يعني what is the nearest tens, like 10, 20, 30, 40 from 37? It's 40, right? Only you add 3 to 37, it will become 40. This we call it rounding. And if I would tell you round the number 8, what is the nearest tens for number 8? It is 10, the number 10. Okay, let's continue. Maria wants to know about how many carrots are at the store. We can help her by rounding 37 to the nearest 10. Rounding changes a number so that it is easier to use. When we round the nearest 10, we change the number to the closest whole 10. What are the whole 10s, Baba, if you remember? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Those are whole 10s. So, see, from 0 to 100, those are the whole 10s. So let's try rounding 37. Where is 37? Here. So step 1, find the number 37 on the number line. This is the number 37. Step 2, put a dot at 37. Here. Step 3, 30 and 40 are benchmark numbers. They are the whole 10s closest to 37. So 37 comes between 30 and 40. Those are whole 10s. So this is 37. What is the nearest 10 to 37? It is 40, right? See, 1, 2, 3. However, 30, there is 7 behind. 40 is the closest 10. Okay? How do you round numbers that are in the middle? Okay, so this is clear. 37 is nearest to 40. So when I round 37 to the nearest 10, it is 40. Now, if the number comes in the middle, 25, how do I round 25? It's in the middle, see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 30, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the 20. How to round it? We always, if 25 or it's in the middle, we always round up. Round up meaning we take the biggest 10. So if I will round 25, it will become 30. Yeah. Okay. So, which number line helps you round 62 to the nearest 10? Which one, Baba? It should come 62 again, comes between 60 and 70. Okay, so which one? If I tell you, Rosie, round 62, which is the nearest 10 to 62? It is A, because 62 nearest 10 is 60. Okay. Now there are homeworks. Round to the nearest 10 from 0 to 100. Okay, the first question. Round 45 to the nearest 10. شنو قلنا ال 45 إذا جاية بالنص we always round up يعني to the nearest biggest 10. So 45 we round it to 50. So this question, round 77 to the nearest 100. Where is 77 on the number line? Here. Sorry, to the nearest 10. Where is the nearest 10, Baba? Now 76 comes between 70 and 80. The nearest 10 is 80. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 80. Round 18 to the nearest 10. Where is 18? Here. How to round it to the nearest 10? Which one is? It comes between 10 and 20. Which one is nearest? 20. So to round 18, the answer is 20. Round 96 to the nearest 10. 96 is here. It comes between 90 and 100. So the nearest round 10 is 100, because when I add 10 to 90, it equals 100. 1, 2, 3, 4. The answer is 100. 39 here. Nearest 10, 40. Very easy, Baba. 36, 63, sorry. Here, this is 63. Where is the nearest 10? 60 or 70? 60. 56. Here, nearest 10. 50 or 60? It is nearest to the 60. So rounding it to 60. 82. Here, nearest 10. 80 or 90? It is 80. 27. Here, again, nearest 10 is 30. 84. Here, nearest 10 is 80. Round 6 to the nearest 10. 6, where is the nearest 10? Is 10. Okay? Now let's go to the next one, Baba. Now, same thing, but to the nearest 100. Yani same lesson, but to the nearest 100. Round 325 to the nearest 10. Okay? If you see here, there is 300, 310, 325, 330, 340, 350, and so on. So 325 أكو على النمبر لاين 325 لا بس 325 comes between which two numbers on the 10 line? It comes between 320 and 330. شوفي يعني in order to go from 320 to 330 لازم أعد شايفة الخطوط الزرقاء الصغيرة 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So you put a red dot where 325 should be, then I round it up. Why up? Because it is 25. So I round it to 330. Round 152 to the nearest 10. Where is 152, Baba, on the number line? I have 150 and 160. So 152 will come here. Rounding it to the nearest 10 is 150. Now, 548. Rounding it to the nearest 10. Where is 548? It comes between 540 and 550. It's here. So where is the nearest 10? 550. Okay. 865. It's here in the middle. So since I have 5, I have to round up. It's between 860 and 870. Rounding it up means 870. And so on. Okay. Let's check now this one. Rounding to the thousand chart. Now we learn 10, 100, now 1000. Now, rounding to the nearest hundred, 783. Where is 783? It is between 700 and 800. It is here. So rounding it to the nearest hundred is 800. 469. 469 is here. Rounding it to the nearest hundred is 500. 712 here. Rounding it is 700. 873 here. Rounding it is 900. 557 here. What is the rounding it is to 600. Okay? I think you got the idea. It's easy. Now again more practice. Round to the nearest 10. Now all together. هسه مجموعين كلهم ويا بعض هذا البراكتس. You have to cut these boxes and place them in the correct place. So here this number is 6253. Round which number is rounding it to the nearest 10? When I say nearest 10, I am concerned here. 53. 53 comes between 50 and 60. So rounding 53 is 50. So the number rounding it to the nearest 10 is 6250. This one comes here. Then to the nearest 100, 253, because I am in hundreds now. Rounding it to the nearest 100 is 300. Now rounding this to the nearest 1000 means I have to start here. 6000 comes between 6000 and 7000, but it is nearest to the 6000. So the answer is 6000 here. And same with the remaining. هاي لما تجي إن شاء الله باب الأسبوع الجاي أسوي لك هذا مرة ثانية، يحتاج لشرح مرة ثانية لما أنا قاعد وياك. بس now just look at this video, try to understand the basic concept. Okay.